So now we will check on task 5, presentation. You are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Unless otherwise instructed, slides should be formatted to display a title and bulleted list. So create a presentation of 6 slides using the file N219 press.rtf. This is also an RTF, rich text format file. So we have to make sure that we are opening this particular file. Like if you go to the source folder and when you check, you can see by default it will open in Word. So we have to open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is presentation. So first you open Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can try opening it from your source folder. Go browse and then go to your source folder. Now you can see nothing is available since we don't have any PowerPoint presentation files in our source folder, because when we try to open through PowerPoint it will be customized as all PowerPoint presentation. So from here we have to choose all files so that all the file will be available, and choose N219 press open. So now you can see that N219 press is opened, and total we have 6 slides as mentioned in the question paper. Now format slide 1 so that a title slide layout is applied. The title and subtitle are centered in the middle of the slide. Your name appears after the text produced by. So we have to move to slide number 1, right click, and then you can go to layout and then choose title slide, and you can see this title and subtitle is in the center. After produced by, you have to type your name. Now next one, use a master slide to display the following features on all slides: your name, center number and candidate number, and automatic slide number. So we must go to master document by going to view tab and then slide master. Make sure that you are on the first slide, because by default you are in the title slide layout, and if you do some changes here, that will be affected only for the title slide layout. If you want the change to be there in every layout, you have to come to the first slide and then do the changes. Now you have a date here, footer, and this is slide number. That those are disabled. Now we have to enable it so that it will be visible. So for that, go to insert tab and click on header and footer, and you can click on footer and then type your name, center number, candidate number, then enable the slide number also. And they didn't mention any position, so we can just enable apply to all. Now if you come back to the normal view and normal view, you can see the footer is available and the slide number is also available in every layout. Now the next is use the data in file N219 sales.csv to create a vertical bar chart to compare only the physical and digital books sales for all the years. So open N219 sales. You are going to create a chart, so you must be opening it in Excel. So open and then check the content of the file, select the complete spreadsheet, and then make sure everything is clearly visible. Now we have to make a vertical bar chart to compare only the physical and digital book sales for all years. So you don't have to select combined sales, you have to select only digital and physical of all the years. So I'm going to select physical and digital of all the years, and then click on insert, then chart. It is vertical, so this is vertical bar chart or column chart, and the chart is created now. Next is label the chart with the following. The title must be UK book sales, so I'm going to copy and paste the title. Going to remove this title and then paste UK book sales. And next is value access title, pound M. So this is value access, so there is no title here, so you can include the value access by selecting and by going to add chart elements and access title, and you are going to give for the value, so primary vertical, and you can select and paste it. Now next is display the value as data labels on each bar. Display a legend. So legend means this is legend, physical and digital, that is a legend, and on each bar they are asking you to show the value. So there are different methods to do that. You can select, and if you come to this chart styles, you can see that it is getting changed accordingly. The best method is that you have to just add the label. So go to add chart elements and go to data labels. So they didn't mention where it should be displayed, so you can choose wherever you want, like inside, base, outside, and so I'm going to choose outside, and because it will make it more clear, and legends are already displayed. Now format the value axis scale to display a minimum value of 0, a maximum value of 3600, and increment of 600. So now you can see that the minimum value is 0 here, and the increment is 500, the maximum value is 3500. So we have to change it. So first you select the value, then right click, then go to format axis, and then you get these options. From here you can, it's already 0, and maximum you can change to 3600, and the major, that is actually the increment, so change that to 600. Now okay, minimum is changed. Okay, now it's correct. Now 0 to 600, and the maximum is 3600. That is done. Now question number 41, place the chart to the left of the bullet. So now we have to place the chart in the slide. Before that, let me tell you, here you can see the ears are not visible because we didn't select the ear, and instead of that it is shown as 1 2 3 4, which is not correct. So we have to make sure that the ear is also visible. For that, right click on the chart and click on select data, and you can see this is the space where it is, we have to replace it with the ears. So click edit. So it is basically a range, so you can select the range of years starting from 2013 to 2016, then click OK. Now you can see instead of 1 2 3 4, it is replaced as the year. Now we have to place this on to the left of the bullets on the slide with the title comparison of physical and digital sales. So first we need to find out where this slide is. Yeah, this is the slide. So already there is a bulleted list. We have to keep it on the right side so that we can keep the chart on the left side. Now copy and paste the chart on the left side. Yes, if you want, you can increase the size of bulleted list so that it will look neat. Okay, and you can also move this chart more towards left, and then you can increase the size of this. So this is how it should look like. And next is save the presentation. Print the presentation as a handout with 6 slides to the page. Print only the slide with the title comparison as a full page. So there are two printouts. First you have to save this and then go to file. First is the handout with 6 slides. So go to print, and this comparison of physical and digital sale you have to take as a full page slide, but you have to make sure that you are mentioning the slide number 4. So yeah, now you can see only one page will be taken as the printout, that is one printout. Another printout is that you have to print all the slides with a handout where in one page all the 6 slides are visible. So go to this full page slide, and there are options for 6 slides. Either you can go for 6 slides horizontal or vertical, and then you can take the printout of this. So this is how you have to take the printout for presentation, and then you have to take the printout of the evidence document. So that's the end of this paper. Thank you so much, and the more videos will be uploaded soon. Thank you.